Hi, I'm Bob. Welcome to the 5 Minute Econometrics, an econometrics tutorial on basic econometric concepts and estimation methods. Today, we will have a look at the econometric models. What is an econometric model? What is the difference between an econometric model and a theoretical model? They both describe the relationship between the outcome variable and the explanatory variable of interest. They both help us understand how various variables interact and influence each other. What's the difference between an econometric model and a theoretical model? The theoretical model specifies precise and deterministic relationships between variables. A deterministic relationship means no uncertainty. Once the variables are chosen and the functional form is determined, we can make a certain prediction, at least a qualitative prediction, of how the dependent variable changes when the independent variables change. For example, this labor supply function is a theoretical model. We can derive it from a quasi-linear utility function subject to budget and time constraints. The process is based on utility maximization. The labor supply model does not rely on real-world data. It is based on economic reasoning and utility assumptions. The theoretical model often involves optimization with constraints. The result describes a deterministic relationship. This labor supply model relates work hours with wage rate. It is an exact statement. We can calculate the work hours given a wage rate from this theoretical model. By contrast, the econometric model contains a random error term. The error term epsilon is a stochastic element. Introducing stochastic elements changes an exact statement into a probabilistic description of the variables. The econometric model relies on real-life data and estimation methods. The purpose of constructing an econometric model is to find the causal effects of the explanatory variable we are interested in on the outcome variable. What questions can an econometric model answer? After obtaining an unbiased or consistent estimate using appropriate methods, we can find the direction and the magnitude of the causal effect of the explanatory variable of interest on the outcome variable. For example, here is the econometric model that relates log wage to education. Using the instrumental variables estimation method, we can write the estimated econometric equation in the normal form, that is the fitted line equation form. When we interpret the estimate, it is on average or it is the expectation. On average, 1 more year of education is expected to increase wages by 13% after holding other variables fixed and alleviating the omitted variable bias with the IV method. The econometric model and the theoretical model are different, but they are also closely related. The econometric model comes from economic theories and ideas. The economic theoretical models or ideas provide the basis for constructing an econometric model. In addition, we often use the econometric model to verify the qualitative statement of the theoretical model. Moreover, we can use the econometric model with real-world data to estimate the parameters in the theoretical model. The econometric models require observable data and estimation techniques to estimate the coefficients. Therefore, we may encounter some difficulties as we estimate the model. First, some variables, such as personality and expectation, may be inherently unmeasurable. Second, the model may not satisfy the stochastic properties of the error term, which will lead to a biased estimate. The zero conditional mean assumption may not hold. Third, some relevant variables may be missing from the model. If the omitted variables are correlated with the explanatory variables in the model, the OLS estimate may be biased. We should use estimation methods to address the above two problems. Fourth, our sample could be systematically unrepresentative of the population we wish to study. The sample selection bias correction should be considered under the circumstances. These are part of the issues we may face and solve when we estimate econometric models. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon on the next topic. Take care. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.